Good morning, guys. It's currently Saturday, June 1st, happy June, at 6:19 in the morning. My camera's about to die, so I can't really talk for too much at the moment, but I did want to just introduce the vlog. We're gonna be doing another productive Saturday in my life. I feel like these are, one, they're fun to do, and two, I hope that they're helpful to y'all. If you have a big goal and there's something that you want to achieve, typically the weekends are your main time to work on them. And just a quick little intro to my Saturday morning. I'm currently editing the vlog that's going up tomorrow, June 2nd, so that should already be up if you're interested in seeing it. And I also have my coffee. Look, it says, I love my grandma. It's now like 8:45-ish, and I'm actually about to head to AAA because I need to get my license renewed. It expires in 2 weeks, a little less than 2 weeks, on my birthday, June 10th. So I know I kind of waited till the last minute, but we're gonna go do that today. I still have time. I still have a couple weeks, and I'm gonna get it done today, so it's no problem. And I obviously have to get like my, license picture retaken, so I wanted to wear a nice top, but I didn't really feel like wearing nice pants, so I'm just wearing some leggings and flip-flops. Oh, and then when we get back, we're actually gonna be painting my office. Just got my license renewed. I am so stupid. If you obviously saw a little earlier in the vlog, I was like, oh yeah, I wore a cute top so that it would like look nice in my license picture. They don't get your top in your license picture, FYI. It's like literally here up. So could have been wearing anything, could have been wearing nothing. Nobody would have known. Hey guys, so I just finally got home and I wanted to quickly show you my old license and then my new one. Don't love the picture, but I don't hate it either, so we're all good. I like how it won't focus on both of them at the same time, but those are my two pictures. Obviously the left was done when I was 16, so this is just my temporary license, so I believe it'll be in color once I get the actual license in the mail. So that was fun. It's now like 11 a.m. I'm going to go change, and we are just gonna hop right into painting so that we can get that done. Actually, I'm kind of hungry. I might have something to eat really quick first, and then we're gonna get painted. So it's now like 12:45-ish, and I just finished cutting in this whole room, and I've been kind of like filming little bits of it for my office makeover video, but I'm gonna go ahead and start the rolling process now, which is my favorite part. So I wanna film that in this video and like give you a little sneak peek of this room's painting job. This wall behind me is done, but first I'm so hungry right now, like so hungry, but I don't want to like take a break for lunch because like the paintbrush will dry up. So these are the Morningstar buffalo wings. They're delicious. They're spicy, but they're really good. I'm just gonna make a few and then eat them while I paint. Guys, the room is done. I'm so happy. Although it is going to need a second coat for sure. The reason I know that for sure is because this is the same color that I painted my living room with, and that needed 2 coats. So once this dries, I'll definitely need to do another coat. I'll probably do that tomorrow, maybe tonight. I don't know how fast this dries because my plans for tonight just got canceled. So Tim and I are gonna find something probably just chill, to be honest. But right now I want something else to eat. Welcome to my fridge. I think, I know what I want to have. And I'm now just sitting here with my rhubarb. I kept calling it the wrong thing and everybody kept making fun of me. It's rhubarb coffee cake. It's basically just a coffee cake recipe with rhubarb in there, which is like a fruit vegetable. No, I think it's a vegetable. So I'm just doing that, and I'm watching just some YouTube vlogs, kind of chilling out. Don't have much to do right now. Hey guys, we're currently at Rain's End. Look how pretty this kitchen is. I actually decided I do want to get a vanity for my bathroom. I was thinking about just keeping the pedestal sink, but I think I want to get a vanity. I wish I had enough room for a vanity like that. I don't think this is a big enough window. Hey guys, so we were just at Rain's End, and now we actually just came back to my house to have dinner. My mom texted me and was like, hey, I made burgers and veggie burgers for me. Of course, sorry it got so dark. Hi, Ricky. Hi, Ricky. Hi. Hi. Hey. Hey. Look guys, my mom had sangria, but isn't the base wine? So what's it made out of? So what's it made out of?
Now some fruit.
It's made out of wine, Mom. Trust me. For those of you who are curious, sangria is made with wine. It's fruit-infused wine. That's what sangria is.
Okay, sure.
Wine punch.
Yeah, it's wine punch. Look, since I moved out, my mom kind of redid the patio area and she moved this stuff over here. And then look, she got this umbrella. That's so cool. It's got these little lights up there, so at nighttime it lights up.
Freaking narrating this whole damn thing.
Come here, Ricky. Come here, Ricky. Come on.
$52 from Walmart.
Look, my mom brought out all these little snacks. This is Annie.
Hello.
She's my sister.
Catherine and I were little. We had bowl cuts.
This is true. I'll insert a picture right here of what they looked like. Guys, look, my mom took a pink feather and stuck it on the bottom of these balloons so that Sal could like play with it. I don't know where he is, so guys, I'm sorry. Tim is helping Annie with her car. So while they're doing that, I actually got this question, is there anything you miss about living at home recently? And I just wanted to answer that. I figured this would be a good time to answer it while I am home. I would say, I feel like this is kind of, might sound obvious, but the biggest thing I miss living at home is like being with my family, and like I miss going downstairs in the morning and having coffee with my mom. It was like our morning routine where we would both get up super early and we would sit in the living room and like we would both work on our computers and drink our coffee and talk and like just chat and catch up. I miss that a lot. I really miss that. And then obviously also I miss Ricky and Sal a lot. I mean, they're part of the family, so obviously, but I miss having the pets around. That's one thing I don't like about my condo. I got the car to turn on. Car lessons with Tim. Hey guys, so it's now Sunday morning. Well, it's more like Sunday afternoon, but this morning, I'm gonna show you, I'm walking in here. I finished painting the second coat for the office. So I finished painting the second coat, which I'm so happy about. So once this dries, we're all good to go. And then Tim has this little saw thing set up over here because before we rip up all of this paper, he's finishing the baseboards and just a few cuts of wood for the kitchen so that the kitchen can be totally complete. I'll show you what I'm talking about. The trim or the baseboard still has to be put in, and then he still has to put the baseboard over here, so we're gonna do all of that today. He's working on the dishwasher. He put that beam already in, and then we're just gonna paint it once it's in. So there needs to be one there, and then the kitchen's gonna be pretty much completely done. And then while he does that, I'm gonna actually be going to my dad's to help him put together the dresser like I was supposed to do yesterday but didn't end up doing. So I'm gonna go change. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna change. I'm just gonna keep this up. Hey guys, so I'm about to get to my dad's now. I'm gonna go in there and help him put up his dresser. I'm very excited. I bought him a dresser from IKEA for his birthday last week. I don't know what the kind is exactly, but I'll show y'all once I actually get there and start putting it up. So this is the dresser I got my dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hello.
Got lots of parts and pieces, but this is what all of this should look like once we're done. Hey guys, just finished up the dresser. It's now 5:30. Got there at 2. Gosh darn it, I did not realize how difficult putting together IKEA furniture was. I have a new level of appreciation for all of the IKEA furniture pieces that Tim put together for me, because pretty much everything that I own from IKEA, Tim put together for me. And I would like kind of help, but I was more just sitting there doing what he told me to do versus like actually having to figure everything out myself. If you watch until this part, comment what your major in college was, or if you're still in college, what's your major? And if you're not in college yet, what do you want to major in, or what do you think you want to major in? Let me know in the comments if you watched till this part. And I think that's all that I have to say. If you want any more productive weekends in my life, you can click above me. That's my whole playlist of all of those videos. And I think that's all I have to say. So I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video.